we are moving Elvis and the goats all to new paddocks today, and we are worming the goats along with trimming their hooves. And I think Elvis has escaped and already moved into the paddock I was already going to move him into. So let's get into the video. So the goats will be going in this area up here. They've been in here several times. Open that gate up for them. There's actually a lot in here for them to eat. Ugh. Undo this one. There's a lot of nightshade in there. It's like highly toxic. No, it's highly toxic for all livestock. Yeah. Nah. If they eat it, it'll kill them. I don't think they'll go and eat it, but if they eat it, they'll be dead. Well, I don't think they'll eat it because there's other stuff in there to eat. Like, they'll probably just completely avoid it altogether. Yeah, we're coming. Yep. Come on, go. Shake the bucket. Shake it. She's so fat. So I'm going to bring him up and a little bit later when Dad gets back home, we're going to give him some warm up and we're going to trim their hooves. Hooves, I mean, not hooves. So this is the area that I'm going to keep Elvis in, and he's also got the little top part of this area here that he's in. I'm going to keep him up here during the day, and then he'll go back down on our laneway at night. If I just put him up here, he's going to get so fat and it could make him sick and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Hey buddy. Okay, so I'm going to go inside now and then I'll wait for Dad to get back and then we'll worm them and trim their hooves. I honestly couldn't film too much of doing their hooves or giving them the worm up because my siblings were around and everything, so I didn't really want to get them in the video. Come on, girl. I got stuff for you in my pocket. Come on. You liking in this spot? I mean, you've been in here 100 times, but... Please don't scare the neighbours' cows. Hello. So nice and dry up under his whole lot. Such a good boy. So it is a few days later because I got sick and still sort of am sick, so I didn't really want to video anything because I couldn't really talk. So now I'm going to show you what my morning looks like when all the animals are up here. So every morning I start off by feeding the chooks, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so we do not have a lot of food left in the house, so I'm not going to be able to fill up on my feeders, so I'm going to only fill up their feeders like with one scoop. And then I grab food for the A-frame and we're going to take it down to them. The A-frame is just a pen in the shape of an A for the other half of our chooks. I'm going to let them out as well and then feed them. Elvis stays down, he looks so grumpy, stays down here at night because if we keep him up here, he will basically get way too fat. What are you doing? He'll get way too fat. So I'll feed them and then I'll let him out. Put that in there. The food. Because it's not completely filled up to the top, but it'll give them enough, especially because they'll let out. If I let them out in the morning, I have to get the eggs, otherwise the crows will walk up. I'll just walk up into the nest box and steal all the eggs, and there's nothing. Hello. Ready to get let out? My speech is all over the place. I don't know what I'm saying, so just ignore that. I don't know why this happens to me when I get sick, but ready to go out? Don't jump on me. I think that entire last bit was filmed the wrong way. Whoops. Gotta look for eggs in all the pens. Hi, goaties. Yes, Flopsy's right next to the gate. Yay. Hi, doll. Look at me. Why? Hi, Jasper. Standing up. This is such a good kid. After I do everything else, I always do the goats last. Good job. Yes. Don't push. Excuse you. We'll still pet Jasper. Jasper's alright. You can be okay. Come on. Come on. That's a good girl, Flopsy. Such a good girl. Yes, good girl. I am being attacked. Such a good girl, Flopsy. Go away. Get off me, Jasper. Oh. Hi, Soxy. He's like horning me. Let go. This is such a good girl. Right, where's my other girl? There you are. Oh, bum rubs. Have you been in the dam? They get all their water from the dam over there. So if you don't see a water trough, it's fine, because they just drink out the dam. And go a little bit more forward, and I'll give you bum scratches. What do you want? Stop eating me, Jasper. Good job. I wonder if I could go up and pat Flopsy again. Oh. Good girl. Alright. No. Jasper. No. Anyway. Good girl. I mean boy. You're a boy. Well, that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I don't actually remember how much I videoed of worming them and doing their hooves. I don't actually think I got any of that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for next week's video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.